Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you guys what I got from the Nordstrom anniversary sale this year. I did have early access, so I did purchase things, but it took so long, which I'm sure a lot of you have already heard about, but it took so long to get here, so that's why I'm finally filming this and want to get it up for you guys, because now the sale is open to the public and some things are still in stock and will be restocked as well. They were, apparently Nordstrom was not restocking in the beginning, but now they are, so I'm not sure, but everything will be linked down below for you guys as I go along. You can check it out there. And if some of the things are sold out, I'm sorry. I really did try to get this up as quick as possible, but just no help in shipping. It took 2 weeks for it to even ship. So I just was very frustrated. So yeah, next year I will be going to the store for early access is what I'm thinking. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys my items that I got. There are still, I think there are 2 items that I ordered that were on back order and still in process of shipping. I think they've been shipped, but I will also list those down below for you guys. And probably mention them as I go along. But yeah, last time I did a try on haul, it was kind of a fail. It was like terrible lighting and whatnot. So I'm hoping that this one's better for you guys. Hopefully you enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And welcome to all my new subscribers as well. I'm happy to have you guys and hope you guys stay with me. If you have any video suggestions too, leave them in the comments. I love to hear them. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so that you get notifications each time a new video goes up. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay, so I know I'm all about beauty on my channel and my blog, but there's only one item that I purchased that is beauty related from the sale. There are so many good deals and I have them all listed on my blog as well under the Shop Nordstrom Anniversary Sale tab, under the Shop tab, but I just couldn't justify getting all of them because I had already had a full cart times 2 of clothing because I did 2 separate orders. So this is the one thing that I definitely could justify because I have never ever tried a beauty blender. I know it's insane, but I've always had like good dupes to a beauty blender that I've heard are just as good, but I really want to try a real beauty blender. So this one it comes with 2 of the nude beauty blenders and then a solid cleaning bar, and then this to-go, oh, there's actually two to-go holders for your beauty blender. So you just toss them in there if you're on the go so they can dry. So this is $35, and if you're familiar with Beauty Blender, one beauty blender is $20. So I could definitely justify $35 for 2 of them, carrying cases and the cleaner. So definitely a great deal. All right, now somehow I ended up with 4 pairs of athletic pants. Just because I love them so much, but one of them is being shipped and I'll talk about that in just a second. So I do have 3 of them here. So these are the Zella high-waisted laser cut leggings. This material is so good, you guys. So these are $44.98 and super high-waisted, which I love. They suck everything in, which you'll see. And then they have this laser detailing. So it's a mesh and then this laser cut out all the way down to the bottom. And you'll see in the try on. So cute. Okay, hopefully this mirror is not too dirty for you guys, but we're gonna start with the workout pants first. These are the Zella leggings with the laser cut detail on the sides. I love the fit of Zella leggings. I actually got their live-in leggings last year, but they came ripped, so I returned them, and by the time I returned them and got a new pair, or wanted to get a new pair, they were sold out, so I never got to keep them. Bye, Kobe. So I'm excited because I did order a pair of those. Those are not in yet, but they should be here, I think, tomorrow or the next day. But I just love the fit. I love how high-waisted these are. They hit like right above the belly button, and they like suck everything in, and they are true to size. I got a medium and I'm 5'7", and they hit right at the ankle, like the perfect spot right at the ankle. So it's like a mesh detail and then the laser cutting is like on top. It's actually just super neat. I really like them. I don't have any leggings like this for the gym, so it's perfect. And they go up decently high in the back as well. So I really like these. hopefully this is a good angle for you guys too. It's a little cluttered in here right now, and if you guys want a tour of my beauty room, I did do a tour on my channel. I will link it down below and up above as well. But it is very messy right now. I'm in the process of making a few changes. So, but yeah, this is a couple of the items that I'll be sharing. So that's this guy. On to the next one. All right, and the next pair of leggings, I think these are my absolute favorite because they are like my color. They are these. So cute. The print is called a pink rose cloud dot. And these are also Zella leggings, and they're the high-waisted crop leggings. So very high-waisted. Oh yeah, and all of them have this little like hole here for a like key or whatever. I never use it, but I think it's neat. But yeah, they look so flattering on, and they hit at the right spot, which you'll see. But I love, love, love these. Zella leggings are amazing, you guys. They are more of like a dupe to Lululemon. So if you have not tried any Zella leggings or any of Zella's products in general, like any of their shirts or sports bras or shorts, you definitely should. They're awesome. Okay, these are amazing. So these are also Zella leggings. They're the crop leggings though, and they're the rose cloud detail. So they have these like white dots all over in this cool design. I love it. And again, high-waisted. I love how thick the high-waisted band is. Just sucks everything in. I like these ones. I love, like, just the color is my color. I love it. And I just love where like the ankle hits. I don't like cropped leggings where it hits like just above the knee. I would rather have it like down where that is. All right, so the last pair of workout pants are these, and I don't know if you can see, but I love that it goes in like a V right here. You can't really tell, but they are like a true red. They're coming off orange on the camera, so hopefully they look true red to you guys. But they have the best mesh detailing you'll see in the try on, but I love it. And then the bottom, they have this detailing too. It's like a V, so cool. And these are $38.90. I don't know if I mentioned that the pink ones are $35.90. But these are crop as well, and then there's Zella high-waisted crop leggings. Okay, I love these ones too. These are the Zella leggings with the mesh cutouts as well. And it has this like V in the front, if you can see right here. I love the detail, and then on the inside there's a mesh detail. And I love how it cuts up top. And again, high-waisted. Yeah, I really, really, really like these ones. They kind of go to like an X in the back. I don't know if you can tell, but I definitely love these. I love the detailing, and I love the red. It looks a little orangey on my camera, but it's more of like a true red. I really, really like these. Okay, and on to jewelry. So I'm wearing my Miranda Fry pieces. So this is the London necklace from Miranda Fry. And then this is the Blake chain with the nativity charm. So the rest is this rag and bone necklace set. It's all one piece, which I absolutely love. And I love, it looks actually like a Miranda Fry piece too, but definitely a lot less expensive. But I love, you'll see it in some of the try-ons too. I love how layered it is. I really love it with these necklaces. It just adds that extra little pop of gold. And I love, so that this is the bottom piece. I love that you can like pop it into a shirt, and then it's just like still shows all chains. And I just love it. So I'm all about the layering of chains right now. And they have such good pieces on the Nordstrom sale right now that look similar to this. And this is, the set is $25.90. I love it. Next up is this BP Raw Hem pocket tee. You can kind of see the pocket right there. I love the raw hem detail, and then it's long sleeve and it hits just right, which you'll see. This is $18.90. That is it, you guys, $18.90. So great. Okay, now that we're done with the athletic wear, this is the BP striped top. It has a pocket, which you can't really tell. It is long sleeve. I just have them kind of pushed up a little bit. Little tiny side slit, and it hits, for me, at the perfect length. I like it right there, and then you could even, you know, do a little side tuck or, you know, a front tuck. But I really, really like this top. And it's got like a raw hem, which I really like, the raw edging. It's not super see-through or anything, but you can see a little bit of my bra through it. But other than that, I absolutely love this. Stripes are like one of my fall staples for sure. And I usually wear it year round, but it is just the best for fall. So there's that guy. Okay, and next up is this cardigan. I love the color. It's like a mustardy color. It's called Brown Cattail, another BP piece. Another BP piece. I love anything BP because they're so affordable, you guys. Anything BP from this sale is just awesome. This is $31.90 for this super heavy duty cardigan. It's amazing. All right, so I just threw the cardigan right over the t-shirt. This cardigan is so cute. It's like a mustardy yellow with a little bit of a brown tone. I love it with the gold necklace, and then threw on the belt with the gold detail, and then it's just a black belt so it matches the stripes. Figured I'd do a whole outfit for this one. I just threw on these block heel shoes. They have some super similar to this in the sale as well. I got these a couple years ago, but I love them. They're like a suede detail with the block. I love it. So yeah, this is the cardigan. It hits perfectly. It's nice and long. And I love how it kind of swoops a little bit and then has the pockets. And the sleeves are very long too. You could just roll them up. That's this outfit. I really like this. Okay, I'm all about the staple pieces. Sorry if you hear my dogs. This BP, is this a BP? It's BP as well. This BP raw hem t-shirt. I love the sleeves, which you'll see, and it's a little see-through, but not when it's like, it's not anything crazy. You can still wear it just as the shirt. But I love, love, love it. It's so lightweight and soft, and it's so cheap, you guys. Let me look at the price quick. I think it's $11.90, and it comes in a ton of colors. They were selling out quickly, so be sure to snag it while you can. But this, I wanted it in the white too, but the black is what they had in stock. So if the white comes back in stock, I will be getting it. Love it. This one, you guys, I am obsessed with. This is the raw hem t-shirt from BP. As you can tell, I like a lot of the BP stuff, but it's because they're so affordable. This is like $12, and I love the like length it hits in the arms, and then I love the scoop detail, and it would look so great just tucked in with some jeans. I love black with denim. I don't know what it is, but I just love it. But this is perfect. So there's I love the scoop on the butt, but I really like this one. And then these are the necklaces that I have. So this is a Miranda Fry necklace. So is this guy. But this whole piece, this guy, and then these three are the Rag & Bone necklace that I got. So cute. So you could tuck this guy in, so it's just inside, or you can pull it out. I love it. I think I like it out with this because the gold on the black just looks so good. Love it. And it actually would pair well with these heels as well. I love black, gold, denim, and then this like taupe color. I love black and taupe. So yeah, that's that one. On to the next one. I think we just have one left. All right, and the last piece is this guy. This is from Waif. I absolutely love it. There's another cami that was in the sale that was super cheap, but they canceled it on me. I think they oversold them. So I didn't end up getting that, but I'm glad that I was still able to snag this guy, and it comes in a couple colors as well. I just love the lace-up detail in the front, and then the ruffle detail as well. And it's just very like feminine and great for like a date night or something like that. This guy is $38.90, which is such a great deal, especially for the brand, which is Waif. This, you guys, is probably my favorite piece. It is a little snug on me, so I did actually order a size up just to see how it feels, because this is just a little bit tight. I want to be able to like move around in it, but now that I'm wearing it again, I may just keep this size, but we'll see once I get the new one. But sorry for my dogs, love this. I love the way it hits without it tucked in, and I love the way it looks tucked in. It's perfect for date night, and obviously you probably wouldn't want to wear a bra with it. You would just want to wear like some pasties, but it is very flattering. I just love it. So there is the back. I love the color. It's like this lavender. It's a very like pale purple, and I love the ruffles. This is from Waif, which is one of my favorite brands. I love their stuff, and I love this necklace. Long, like where it just goes. It's so like sexy, I want to say, and just I love that it like goes down into the cleavage. Perfect for date night or a night out on the town. But I feel like with this cardigan in the cream, or I think they have like a gray, this would look so good with it as well. I love it. Okay, so that was everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this try on. If you guys like these videos, again, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments, and I'd love to do more videos like this in the future. But don't forget to also check out my blog, which is KelsieKristine.com. And under the shop tab, there is I think it's a tab that says current sales or something like that. I will link it down below, but it says shop Nordstrom anniversary sale picks. And on that page, I'm listing everything that I personally like. Doesn't mean I bought it. This is everything that I bought, but they're items that I actually suggest and are such a great deal to me. And most of those items are gonna be under $100 because you guys know I like to stay under $100 for items, and the only exception is outerwear, because outerwear can get expensive. So don't forget to check it out, and I may still end up purchasing some things, but the sale does end, I think August 6th is the last day, and the prices will be going back up. So you can still purchase the items if they are in stock, but the prices will be going back up to the full price. So obviously you'd wanna snag it before it goes back up. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video, and happy shopping. Bye.